Bow. A curved weapon used to shoot arrows. He used a bow to shoot the target in archery. Bow. To bend forward. She had to bow before the queen. Row. To move a boat using oars. We will row the boat across the lake. Row. A straight line of things. The books were arranged in a neat row on the shelf. Lead. To show the way. She will lead the team in the project. Lead. A heavy metal element. The pipes were made of lead, which is not safe. Seal. To fasten something securely. Please seal the envelope before sending it. Seal. A marine mammal. The seal swam gracefully in the ocean. Well. In good health. She is feeling very well today. Well. A hole in the ground for water. We drew water from the old well in the yard. Bark. The outer layer of a tree. The bark of the tree is rough. Bark. The noise a dog makes. The dog began to bark loudly at the mailman. Bar. A place to buy drinks and socialize. They went to a bar to listen to live music. Bar. A solid piece of chocolate. I ate a chocolate bar for dessert. Left. To depart or go away. He left the party early. Left. The opposite of right. The store is on the left side of the street. Bank. The land alongside a river. I need to go to the bank to withdraw cash. Bank. A place to keep money safe. I need to go to the bank to withdraw cash. Quarter. A 15-minute period. It is 3:15. Quarter. A coin worth 25 cents. I found a quarter on the ground. Park. An outdoor area for recreation. The kids like to play at the park. Park. To stop and leave a vehicle in a place. I will park my car in the driveway. Palm. A type of tree with large leaves. The palm tree swayed in the breeze. Palm. The inside surface of the hand. He held the coin in his palm. Letter. A written message to a person. I wrote a letter to my friend. Letter. A character in the alphabet. The word cat starts with the letter C. Fly. A small flying insect. A fly landed on the table. Fly. To move through the air. I can fly a kite on a windy day. Ring. A piece of jewelry worn on a finger. She received a beautiful ring for her birthday. Ring. A round shape. The children formed a ring around the campfire. Band. A musical group. The band played music at the festival. Band. An elastic band for holding hair. She wore a band to keep her hair back. Bat. A flying mammal. The bat flew out of the cave at night. Bat. A stick used in sports like baseball. He swung the bat and hit the baseball. Tire. To feel exhausted or worn out. After running, I began to get tired. Tire. A rubber covering around a wheel. I need to replace the flat tire on my car.